Welcome back, detectives. Here's our latest briefing. We have come across a new suspect. Her name is Avery 1. Here's the statement that she made this afternoon. I live in Gray's Land Town, and I commute in my car to Synchrony City to work every day. It's a long commute, but it's worth it to me to live out of the city because I like nature. I'm very concerned about the fish dying, and I'm concerned about the environment in general. I'm just your average person. I shop, go to the movies, and the water slide, and I like to fish. What do you think about her statement? Any comments, observations? Discuss and record this with your group. Be sure to take into account what we already know about other suspects, what we've learned about Juan Tuno, and what we know from looking at the map of the Gray area. Is there anything new that we can conclude? Make sure to write down all of your observations and reports in your notebook so that we can continue to look at this throughout our investigation. Good luck, detectives.